Good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to a special episode of My PI Dream. Today is Fiesta Day in the barangay of Anilao, which is where we live. You might hear some noise in the background. They're doing some preparation for today's exciting venue of things up and down the boulevard. And this is the moment where people open up their homes and open up their hearts and invite you in and have a good time, which is Fiesta here in the Philippines. Well, let's go ahead and capture a little bit of that. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. This is our first house today, so you better pace yourself, babe. You know how many places that you got? You better take it easy on your first flight. Okay. Next house. next up. Yep. Hi guys. Hello. Happy Fiesta.
Nandito ulit kami.
2 years kayo natin.
One of the things Ness and I have found out over all the years that we've been attending Fiesta is you really got to pace yourself, because we're right at the beginning of our visits to a bunch of our friends here. So you can't fill your plate up, so you got to be selective. Kind of like what I did here. Yeah, kind of like, she didn't do that on her first house though, did you? So hopefully we'll be able to survive it all the way through the town today. Hey sweetie, hey sweetie, hey. What about you? Hey sweetie, hey. Hey! What a spread. Here we are. We're actually at Amber's house. We took some pictures of Amber. She visited next door with her family, and we had some pictures with her over there that she just shot out the door. But anyway, I don't know what number this is, but we're gonna enjoy some of this wonderful feast on Fiesta here. Look at this! And this is my kind of Fiesta.
Take one, my friend.
I will.
Tequila sunrise.
Oh, Tequila sunrise.
Sarap?
I can do it.
What's going on in here?
Yeah, I like some food.
Look at that spread.
This is Emma.
And Basil.
Yay. Hi.
Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Coming to the Philippines and enjoying Fiesta, it can't be done any other way but actually being integrated with your community. You need to get out there. You need to meet the fine people all over your barangay, your local barangay where you live, or wherever you are visiting at the time where Fiesta is actually happening. Again, it occurs all over the Philippines. So make sure you get out there, make sure you make some new friends, and make sure that you make some lasting friendship over the years. We are worn out, and we thank all those people who invited us into their homes today to spend time with their families and their friends, and share with us some great Philippine cuisine. Anyway, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, from right here in the very beautiful and festive Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.